Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is again a trigonometric function, TANH. TANH function is mainly used to calculate the hyperbolic of tangent. Okay, so what it will do, it will take one argument as an input parameter, and then it will calculate the hyperbolic of tangent in terms of radians. Okay, so the final output would be in terms of radians only. Now, how we can use this? There are two ways again. First one is you can utilize this function in SQLRPGLE program, and another thing is that we can use this function on normal SQL query. So let's see one by one both ways. So first of all, I'm showing you the program. So in program, what we are doing, we are declaring the constant, which is SQL state underscore valid, and this constant we will use to verify the query. Then we have one variable, result1 variable, where we are storing the that we will use to store the output, which is written by the program query. Okay. Now below to this, from line number 15 to line number 19, these lines are optional because here we are just setting the commit equals to star none. So for this program, it is optional. Then we have actual query. So in actual query, I'm executing SQL. So select TANH of 3. So what it will do, it will calculate the hyperbolic tangent for value 3 and store it into the host variable result1. And it is coming from sysibm.systeme1. So once the query is executed, we will verify the same. So here I'm checking if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then print the result1, else print the SQL state along with an error message, query ended with an error, and INR on. So let's quickly go and compile your program and call. So you can see it is printing the hyperbolic of tangent for 3 equals to 1. Okay, so this is how it works in SQLRPGLE program, and syntax is quite simple. You just need to mention your function name, and then you can pass your value for which you want to calculate the TANH. Now I will show you on the query, like how we are using it on normal query. So in normal query, I'm using select TANH of 90. So what it will do, it will calculate the hyperbolic of tangent for 90 as, and this is my alias, TANH underscore valid underscore radians from sysibm.systeme1. Okay, so once you hit enter on this query, it will print the value. So you can see it is printing the value as 1.000 something. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss another function. So thank you for watching Sharmit.